The correct word for church is ekklesia. And the ekklesia is a calling out of God's people to assemble together, which makes what we're doing right now really hard to take. Doesn't it? I'm having a hard time with this. This quarantine is shutting down our ekklesia. We're not able to come together as we're supposed to. I was talking with a pastor friend of mine this week, and he was thinking that if this continues on into June, July, August, if we continue to do these online services, that Christians are not going to come back to church. They're going to get comfortable with just sitting in their homes and having church whenever they want to have church. But I really hope he's wrong, because that's not the right way. Online services are not God's plan for his ekklesia. This is a temporary fix, not a solution. This is a substitute. This is not the real thing. Now, some will argue, well, wait a minute. Churches met in homes in the New Testament. There's places all over the world today where Christianity is illegal, so they're meeting in secret, probably in homes. And I have another pastor friend that has a network of home churches. But here's what's different about those home churches and the ones we're doing right now. Here's what's lacking. In your home, you don't have it filled with a bunch of believers. Unless, of course, the Duggars are watching this. The Duggar family has 19 kids. I don't know how many grandkids, but they multiply so fast, they might give the Israelites a run for their money. There's a lot of kids in that house, and they probably can do church at home and be just fine. But you got to understand something here. Home churches are supposed to invite others into their home, and you can't do that right now. That's why this isn't the way it's supposed to be. You know, today we were supposed to have communion together. The body of Christ, right? Coming together to have communion. The cup, right? Representing the blood of the new covenant. The bread representing the body of Christ broken for us. We can't do that. We can't share a meal together. We can't come together and use our spiritual gifts to build each other up. I have spiritual gifts. You have spiritual gifts. We bring those together, the church is strengthened. In fact, you go ask a child right now. You ask him, little Johnny, would you like a couple presents for your birthday, or would you like a whole bunch of presents for your birthday? What's he going to say? He's going to say, I want all the presents I can get. I want all the gifts that we can get. The church, every believer has a spiritual gift, and we should be bringing those into the house of the Lord, which is us, right? To celebrate, to build each other up. I know I speak for my whole family when I say we miss you. This isn't the way that I want to do church. It's a temporary fix. It's not the real thing. We need to come together so that we can build each other up, so that we can get closer to God and understand the Bible and love one another. It's so much easier to love you in person, right, than to Zoom, right? You can Zoom meeting all you want, but that doesn't give me a hug. That doesn't get us together. Can I get an amen?